Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the CapCut AI Dialogue Scene to make your picture speak. So if you're interested, from here let's get into it. So when you open your CapCut, on the first page, scroll up. You're going to see all AI tools. Click on it. Then scroll up a bit. Click on AI Dialogue Scene. Select the picture you want to use from your phone gallery. Then click on Next to add. Move the slider backwards. Delete the CapCut watermark. Then extend the image to the length of your video. CapCut can only create 30 seconds video, which means if your video is 1 minute long, you are going to split it and then generate it 2 times. Next, look below, scroll to the left side. Look for AI Dialogue Scene, then click on it. Then click here to choose the voice you want to use if you don't want to use your own voice. These are the different voices you can choose from, but I want to use my own voice, which I recorded. So to extract your voice from your device, click here. You know where you saved your voice. I recorded mine with my phone camera. So I'm going to click on Extract from Video. Then click on the video audio. Click on Extract and Add Audio. It has added. Describe your scene. How you want the image to move its body. That is the facial and hands expressions. So I'm going to paste this. That is how I want the image to act. Make sure you set it on talk or sing before hitting generate. So hit on generate. Then confirm it. Allow CapCut to process the scene. And once it's ready, you are going to see blue check mark inside this small circle. It usually takes some time, so you have to be patient enough, okay? So now it's ready. Let us play the video. Hi creators, today I'm going to show you 5 tips on how to grow your channel faster. And that's it. Then if you don't want to use a recorded voice, you can type or paste your text here. Just like what I'm doing right now. Tap here to choose a voice. These are all the voices you can choose from. Both male and female voices.
Hi creators, today I'm going
Click
to show you 5
once
tips.
you are done. Then hit on generate. Click on confirm. Allow the scene to process. And that's it.
Hi creators, today I'm going to show you 5 tips on how to grow your channel faster.
Thanks for watching. Comment more tips if you want more. Don't forget to like the video and also follow. See you on the next one.